Let's try chocolate popcorn. Snickers. It smells like Snickers. Okay, that actually tastes like a Snickers bar. It's drizzled with chocolate, caramel, it even has some peanuts. On a scale to how close this resembles a Snickers bar, I'm giving this a 8.2 out of 10. Butterfinger. Who even eats Butterfingers? It just smells like a generic chocolate bar. I honestly don't even know what this is supposed to taste like. Hold on, if this is what Butterfingers is supposed to taste like, that's quite good. It's almost like a toffee peanut butter crisp. I don't know if this is even resembling it, but on a taste scale, 8.8 out of 10. M&M's. Does not smell like M&M's. It just smells like spoiled popcorn. It's more so just chocolate with a bit of the crunchy shell. 7.3 out of 10. Chips Ahoy. It smells less like chocolate chips and more like wafer biscuits. That does not taste like a cookie. I don't know, they said they added cookie pieces into the popcorn. All I see is drizzled chocolate. 2.1 out of 10. Twix. It just smells like caramel popcorn. It doesn't taste like Twix at all. I don't taste any chocolate. All I taste is caramel. Oh wait, this one has a bit more chocolate on it. No, still nothing. 4.3 out of 10. Sour Patch Kids. It smells kind of like a fruit punch. And I know it's not chocolate, but I just wanted to try it. Okay, that's not bad. You taste the Sour Patch Kids, but it's a weird texture when you eat popcorn. You know, when I'm eating Sour Patch Kids, I want to taste that chew and that bite. In terms of resemblance, I'm giving this maybe a 9.1 out of 10. It's quite close.